This is my client Lori, and she's going to share her experience coming to Hesch Institute for treatment.
So I've had 3 years of pretty intense pain. I was bedridden for almost an entire year of that. I could barely get up to do my own cooking or take care of myself. I had my groceries delivered. Life was pretty rough. It's been 3 years since I had the original injury, and I've been to chiropractors, several physical therapists, the Mayo Clinic, probably about 15 different doctors. We've spent a lot of money trying to figure out what it was, and didn't get anywhere. As a matter of fact, it continued to worsen all the time. I started to research and realized that was probably my pelvic area that was causing the problem, and through a series of people, I found Dr. Hesch. Nothing had worked for me before. Most of the things I tried to do actually made it worse. Dr. Hesch used, I didn't realize I had as many joints in my pelvis as I found over these last 3 days. Dr. Hesch, he used a very gentle pressure on each of the joints and really just pushed and held it for 5 minutes. He did a lot of testing to see if I had movement or not, and then decided which joints needed the treatments. It didn't hurt. I didn't have any pain while I was here, but the pressure that he held for 5 minutes reset my joints and actually, in layman's terms, kind of unlocked things that were locked up and put things back where they should be. So my pain since I've been here is much less. My gait is different. I'm walking straighter, sleeping better. I'm definitely not as twisted. It's been a great experience, and I can't thank him enough.
And do you feel equipped to treat yourself now?
I do. I had quite a bit of education. We videotaped Dr. Hesch doing things. My husband videotaped me doing them so that we wouldn't forget. And I feel pretty confident that I can go home and do the exercises I need to do, and even kind of treat myself when I feel like I'm getting out of line a little bit. He gave me several tools. Really, he gave me a whole tool belt full of things that I can pull out when I need them, which is great.
And we also found that you had a stuck thoracic joint, even though you had had a lot of chiropractic treatment.
Yeah.
It was still stuck because the rib was maintaining that, keeping that structure from moving. So freeing up your first rib mobility, the thoracic segment just unlocked automatically.
And that has been great, because that had given me not only cervical pain, but thoracic pain. I was rubbing every kind of pain cream known to mankind, heat patches, ice, trying to get rid of it. And ever since you did that the first day, I've had no pain.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And you know how to self-treat it also?
I do.
Yeah,
I do.
very good. Good. Any comments?
No, we're very thankful. We're very thankful that you treat the person, and that's awesome. Thank you, Dr. Hesch.
Very good. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.